This is the website which I want to host for free today. First of all, I will show you my website. I have created this website in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let me show you my website. So this is the website which I am going to host today for free. First of all, go to 000 web host, open first website. So here you can host two websites for free. To host a website, you need to sign up. I will enter my email here, then I will enter my password. Now you need to verify your email. Go to your email account. And here verify your email. Now after verifying the email, we will click on Start Now. Here we will enter our website name or subdomain. Remember the password as it is the password of your cPanel. Now we have two options. One is WordPress websites and one is coding website. As I have created my website already, I will go on upload site. Now go to public HTML folder. Go to upload files and first of all select files. I will select my files of the website. Let me go to my website. And here is my website. First of all, I will upload my website files without images. And I will click on upload. It will take some time in uploading. Now I will create new folder with the name images. In images, I will upload my all the images. These are my all the images. I will upload these images. Now website is successfully uploaded. Now come back to the dashboard and here is your website. Here you can click on view site. Now you can see that my website is successfully hosted. It is little bit slow as it is free hosting. So here is the link you need to copy and you can show it to everyone.